In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code on Acuity Scheduling, a quick guide for 2025. Now, let's get started with this step-by-step tutorial designed to make the process as smooth as possible for you. First up, we need to head over to the Acuity Scheduling website. Open your preferred web browser and type in acuityscheduling.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This will typically be your email and password that you used when you signed up for Acuity. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard area. From there, look for the calendar tab on the top navigation bar and click on it. The calendar view will display all your scheduled appointments. Here, you'll want to select the specific appointment for which you wish to add code. Once you've found it, click on the appointment to open the details. In the appointment details, you'll notice an edit button. Clicking on this will allow you to modify various aspects of the appointment. After clicking edit, you'll find an option labeled code. Select that option to open the code section. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. You can now enter the code name or the actual content of the code you want to add to your appointment. Whether it's a discount code, a special identifier, or anything else, just ensure that the code you input is correct and serves the purpose you need it to. After entering the code, scan through what you've just typed one more time to ensure there are no typos or errors, as even a small mistake could result in the code not functioning as intended. Once you're happy with the code you've entered, it's time for the final step. Look for that Save button and click it. This ensures that all the changes you made, including the code you added, are saved and applied to the appointment. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks right and that your code is showing as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully added a code to an appointment on Acuity Scheduling. Remember, this process can be repeated for each appointment where you want to add similar or different codes. It's always a good idea to keep a list of codes you use frequently to ensure consistency and make it easier to remember them when you need to add them to other appointments. With this guide, you should now find it easier to manage codes in Acuity Scheduling, enhancing both your efficiency and control over your scheduling activities.